In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of tags in Obsidian. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your note-taking experience. By customizing tag colors, you can make your notes more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Let's dive into the steps. First, we need to create a CSS snippet file. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer. This is your digital notebook where all your notes come to life. Once Obsidian is open, navigate to the Settings menu. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon, usually located in the lower left corner. The Settings menu is crucial for adjusting your workspace to fit your needs. From there, go to the Appearance section. This is where you can change various visual aspects of Obsidian. After that, scroll down until you see the CSS Snippets options. This area allows you to add custom styles to enhance your notes. Click on Open Snippets folder. This action opens the specific folder where you will store your CSS files. It is important to keep this organized for future customizations. Now it's time to create a file. You will need to name it something recognizable like tags.css. This naming convention is essential because it makes it easier to identify your file later. Make sure to use the .css extension so that Obsidian recognizes it as a style height. Once you've created the file, you'll see it in the Snippets folder. This file will serve as the foundation for customizing your tags. Next up, we will add the CSS to color the tags. Open the tags.css file you just created. You can use any text editor for this, whether it's a simple one like Notepad or a more advanced code editor like Visual Studio Code. This is where the magic happens. Paste the following code into the file. /*all tags *a.tag xiao background color #ffcc00 color black border radius 5px padding 2px 6px. ThoSegate is responsible for changing the appearance of your tags. The background color is set to a bright yellow, which will make your tags stand out. The text color is black for better readability. Border radius gives your tags rounded edges, making them look more polished. Padding adds space inside the tags, ensuring the text doesn't touch the edges. This little step transforms your tags into eye-catching elements that enhance your notes. Once you have pasted the CSS code, save the changes to your tags.css file. This ensures that your customizations are not lost. You can simply click Save in your text editor, and you're set. Now, let's move on to enabling the snippet. Go back to Obsidian and return to the Settings menu under Appearance. This is where you will activate the styles you just created. Look for the tags.css file you created earlier in the CSS snippet section. You should see it listed there. This verification step is important because you want to ensure everything is in order before proceeding. Now toggle it on. This action activates the custom CSS you added. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your changes have been applied successfully. And there you have it. Your tags in Obsidian should now display the new colors and styles you set. Customizing tags not only improves aesthetics but also helps you organize your notes more effectively. Enjoy your newly styled tags, and happy note-taking!